Hello guys, welcome to another video. So this is of course the unboxing for the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. On my previous video that I released, this is the replacement that I chose for the Fitbit Ionic. So further ado, let's get on with this unboxing. So they got this wrapper wrapped all the way around the cylinder here. I don't know if it's to keep the dust off the box or what, but so it's all the way around. We've got a label down on the bottom here, and then of course you've got the Samsung Gear S3. I chose the Frontier edition, but I like that one the best. So yeah, let's get on with this unboxing. Let's take off the plastic here. Take the plastic off the top. There we go. Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. You know, I had my eyes on this watch. Actually, I had my eyes on the first version of this watch when it first came out, but it was too expensive. I thought that maybe that I was not gonna use it and stuff like that, so I let it go by. And the S2 came out. The Gear S2 came out. I let it go by, and by that time I wasn't really into smartwatches at all. I really got into semi-smartwatches, I guess you'd call it, is when I ended up getting my first Fitbit. That's what really got me into that. I got more into it I got more into it because I was wondering how many steps that I was doing during the day and things like that. Because of my line of work, I don't sit at a desk. I actually work at a machine shop. So I do a lot of walking, stuff like that. And you know, we started talking about steps and stuff, because there was a co-worker that they had some type of step counter, right? And the amount of walking that I do and stuff, I wondered, well, I wonder how many steps that I do. So what I did when I first started doing that, I actually turned on the step counter on my phone. But this is very inaccurate, because even if you're moving around assembling things or stuff like that, it counts as steps even though you're not actually walking, right? So then afterwards, I actually got my first Fitbit, and I realized that, wow, this is I do that many steps and things like that. And ever since I got my first Fitbit, and I, you know, just got into the smartphone realm, I guess you'd call it. And then afterwards, when I got the Fitbit Blaze, I you know, I like the notification and stuff on it, and that's it. And I never went back from it again. I always told myself that if this one ever goes, I'd always get a better watch than this one over here. So that's when the Fitbit Ionic came out, because I used to like them a lot. Now I don't want nothing to do with them. Watch my previous video on part 2 of Rest in Peace Fitbit Ionic. I explain exactly what happened and stuff like that. But anyway, let's carry on with the unboxing. So I got the tape off, and let's pull the top off here. And the box is really hard. It's actually got this foam inside here to protect the watch, so that's pretty cool. Then of course we got the watch right front here, but let's keep that off to the side right now. I'm not interested in that at the moment. Let's take a look what's underneath here. So it's got this hard plastic here. It's even got the Samsung Samsung logo here. Let's see what else I got here. So okay, so there's a band. Okay, so I guess that the one side of the band, it stays on, and this is the sand, so it stays on. So I must have the large on the watch now, and this is the small. This band here almost feels the same material as this rubber one here, but it feels thicker. Yeah, it's a lot thicker than the Blazes. So I'll put that off to the side. Got this bag here, which is the power brick. Oh yeah, see, I got another power brick. So there's another power brick here. I wonder if I can see what milliamps voltage of the sucker is. I can't tell right now. I might put the information up on here. So there's the charger, of course. You got the charging cable right here, and this is the same USB for my Galaxy S7. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's the exact same connector for the S7, so that's pretty cool how they kept all the ecosystem the same. And the same thing with my Samsung Gear Icon X, same type of connection, so they're keeping everything together. Let's see how long is this cable here. It's actually pretty long. It's a pretty good sized cable, that's for sure. Look at this. So it's actually still longer than the normal one. So that's good. So you're not restricted to have a small little space on there. And of course we got the quick guide and stuff like that. So you should read that. That's for sure. Okay, so let's take a look at the watch here. So the watch comes with this base here, which is actually got this sponge here, comes off. Okay, so this is actually magnetic, so this just stops into place. Yeah, so it's held by a magnet, and so this says to throw it in the garbage, so you don't need that anymore. Yeah, so that's just held by magnets. See how? Yeah, so it doesn't hold very well, but it's, of course, supposed to let it sit like that, right on the desk. So the charging port here is actually pretty well made. This is like a satin here, and it feels kind of almost like a rubbery type of feel to it. Let's get this plastic off. Of course, I'm wondering if take this off. So I'm wondering if you would place the watch on the wireless pad, because I've got the wireless pad for my phone. I wonder if it would actually work when you just put it on there. So here's the actual watch. I'm going to tell you right now, this watch feels a lot heavier than the Fitbit Ionic did, and of course than the Blaze. So it's got the standard belt buckle type of a setup. Well, it's actually pretty nicely built. It's pretty. I can't wait to try this out. So Let's just get this paper off here. I guess I just go on the tab here. Get this off. So you got the heart rate sensor there. I'll zoom in here so you guys can take a better look here. So you got the heart rate sensor right there. Looks like there's some type of let's see if I can get it, kind of see it right there. There's some type of, it's probably the contact for the charging. And let's take this off just like that. And I'll just let you guys take a look at this watch here. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's even got texture on the buttons here and everything. Like great detail. I'm impressed. So let's see what this looks like on my wrist. So if you actually look at it, it's actually, physical wise, it's not that much bigger. Of course, it's actually, you know what? The thickness is about the same. So thickness is about the same. And then the Fitbit Blaze. And there it is. It's gonna take a little bit of used to. Because I'm usually used to to a smaller size watch, but feels very comfortable in the hand, or on the wrist, sorry. Feels comfortable on the wrist. Actually on the wrist doesn't really feel that heavy at all, actually. So okay, I don't know how much charge this has. If it's got no charge, I'll put it on charge and I'll carry on with the video after it's charged up. But let's do the first boot up. So I'm guessing I just press any of these buttons. Okay, well, it's not the top one. Let's try the bottom one. So the bottom one is actually powered on. Alright. We'll let that give you guys my first hand view of the watch here. Because I don't think there is full details. Okay, so English Canada, next. So it's asking me download the Samsung Gear on your phone for Galaxy S Play Store or apps, Samsung.com Gear. Well, I already have the software on my phone. So let's go ahead and do that. Find out how easy this is to set up here. Actually, I'll zoom this a little bit better so you guys can kind of get a good view of both of the devices here together. All right. Oh, see, it's already asking me new device has been found. I didn't even have to launch the software yet. But I'm gonna click OK. I'm gonna go into, okay, what's it doing here? Oh, see, it already did it automatic. I didn't even have to launch the actual software. So confirm pass key, and the watch is actually vibrating. So 14817, yep. Click OK. So checking phone for complete setup. So it's doing a setup. So this watch, apparently I don't have the full details on me right now. When I do the actual I guess review, then I'll have a full details, but to my understanding that it's actually got a speaker and microphone on the actual watch where you can actually talk with people on the phone through the watch without actually having to touch the actual phone. Of course, it has all the fitness aspects of it. It has all the fitness aspects of it, so that's good. It'll track your sleep. It'll track your steps, the calories that you burn, and I guess I should turn off marketing information. Okay, I should be able to turn that off afterwards. But it'll track your sleep. It'll track the amount of steps that you do, the calories you burn. It'll track your exercise. Of course, it tracks your heart rate. It's waterproof. Show only while wearing the gear. Show notifications on your gear only while it's being worn. Yes. Show while using phone. Show. Nope. I want to keep that intact. 16 apps selected. Yeah, we'll go for all that. Incoming calls. I don't use Hangouts. Messages. Missed calls. Samsung Pay. Schedule, sure. Voicemail, WhatsApp, I don't use either. Let's see here, what else? Amazon, Post. I wonder if this would integrate into, probably not. So we'll just keep that all there. Okay, so I guess I want Spotify. That's one of the reasons why I switched over. Okay, click next. I could probably change that afterwards. So it says, "Oh, you're all set." Notifications will show on either side of the watch face. Turn your bezel to view. So this is the actual app store. Watch face and stuff like that. So basically, okay, so basically just so it's got touch screen, right? So swipe up to press the button to go to home. I'll do a full walkthrough through all the software and everything on here to show you guys. So cover and touch the screen with your palm to turn off the screen. So new notification, turn the bezel to notifications. So yeah. steps, news briefing. Of course, it's got it has an MP3 player built into it, so add a widget. So that's basically it. So that's how easy it was to set it up. It was pretty simple. So I wonder if it'll tell me if I go into settings, device, power savings, connect to a new phone, reset the gear, debugging, about the device, model number, Wi-Fi. Of course, I have to set up my Wi-Fi, storage, battery capacity. So the battery capacity in this watch is 380 milliamps. So I wonder where it tells me how much battery I got left here. So it's got an anti-barometer, remote clock, gallery, find my phone, that's settings, monster vampire, I don't know what that is, get more apps. Yeah, so that was pretty easy to set up. I wonder how would you, so it's updating the software right now, so it's probably going to be a new version of the actual software coming for it. So that's the basic setup of the Samsung Gear S3, the Frontier Edition. There'll be another video coming down the road on you know, full software overview and things like that, and I'll be showing how to actually add music to this. I'll show how easy it is to incorporate the wireless headphones onto the watch. And yeah, so there's going to be a lot of content coming on this watch here, you know, so just stay tuned for all that. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Until the next video, bye.